truth. Praise God. The trying time is for our future betterment. Before I go further, I want to ask us this question. Or better still, I want to throw this into our attention. I believe without no point of argument or contradiction, you agree with me that when the nights become more darker, if only patience and perseverance and persistence is being put into consideration, the day is about to break. I come again. When the nights become more darker, when the nights become more darker, if only persistence and perseverance and patience is being put into consideration, the day is about to break. Meaning, the hotter the weather, the more hotter the weather, the more closer the rain. When the heat of the season become more tougher, rain is around the corner. Some of us that know what I'm talking about, when the heat of the season, meaning the season of heat, when it become more severe, when the pressure of the heat become more tough, when the heat become more unbearable, if patience and perseverance and persistence is being put into consideration, rain is about to fall. I am going somewhere. Just as I used to tell you, as many that have been hearing this from me, I said, if you have not prayed when there is sun, never pray when there is rain. If you are not privileged to pray when there is sun, never pray when there is rain. Because you agree with me that the level of your preparation determines the level of your manifestation. The level of your preparation determines the level of your manifestation. Just as I said earlier, that when the nights become more darker, when the night become more thick, if only patience and perseverance is being put into consideration, the day is about to break. Meaning, at this very tough time, at this very tough hour, at this very tough situation, if only we can apply patience, if only we can apply perseverance, if only we can apply persistence, if only patient and perfect is being put into consideration, the day is about to break. Listen, brethren, there is no greater height without greater price. Every greater height requires greater price. If you have ever embarked on the journey of success before, you understand what I'm talking about. When a man is on a journey of success, every man that ever take the journey of success into consideration or cognizant, one thing for sure is that price is always one thing that the visioneer or the one that is on the journey need to put into consideration. You cannot achieve anything good without paying the price for it. Let me make it more understandable. It's very hard for you to walk any shop mall. It's very hard for you to walk to any market and pick anything and consume it if you've not paid the money that is involved. The price that is involved. Every greater height in life, every greater destiny in life, it requires greater price. I am taking us somewhere. Just as I've said, that the trying time is for our betterment future, or is for our future betterment. Listen and listen very clear. There is no greater future. There is no future without price. I've never seen a man that embarked on the journey of future that have not paid price. When you make yourself ready, when you make yourself available for greater future, you should put into consideration that greater price is essential. Greater price is mandatory. Listen and listen very clear. At this very hour, where the world is facing it in a diverse way or diverse temptation, I want to announce to you that it will only take those that are very strong in their vision. It will only take those that have made up their mind. It will only take those that is ready to persevere and persist to overcome this very challenge. But as many that will not allow this very time, as many that will not allow this very trial to take them from the very track of their future or vision, there is nothing that will stop them from their vision. The vision God has given to you, the mission you have embarked on, the future that God has given to you can never be thwarted via this very trial, if only you know what you are doing. That's why I told us that every man that is ready or that embark on the journey of success, persistence, perseverance, and patience is the essential tools, or is the only fuel that will lead as many that are on their way to a successful journey. Listen to me, my brothers and my sisters. That vision, that future, that contract, that assignment that you have embarked on, don't give up. That work that you are looking for, that visa that you are looking for, you want to travel before, but because of what is happening now, you said, wow, the whole world is in trouble, there's no need for me to travel. I want to announce to you that this is not the reason for you to give up on the vision, except the vision is not a vision. Here comment you that is listening to me, you have a plan to do some certain things, but here comment because of what is happening now, the devil is telling you that, you see now, the whole world is in trouble, that vision is not good or good enough to put into consideration. I want to announce to you that if you adhere to the devil, if you hack onto the word that the devil is projecting into your heart, meaning that even you that is ready or that have already taken the journey of that vision, you don't know what you are doing. It is not time for you to give up on that mission or vision.